you use your Samsung S6 Lite tablet for studying note making, I'm sure आपके पास Notein ऐप ज़रूर होगा। अगर आपने मेरी वीडियोस या फिर आपने थ्रू गूगल प्ले स्टोर आपने उसे डाउनलोड किया है। Finally got the features जो हम बहुत टाइम से मांग रहे थे, such as वो आपको वीडियो में पता लगेगा। So before diving to the top 3 features or 3 features updated ones for Notein, I just wanted to say a quick hello to everyone who know me and those who do not know me. I am Karina Joga. I am a student. I am a third year student in Punjab. I love content making and also I just love the aesthetics. I know I haven't been able to upload as well as shoot for YouTube videos, but I was quite active on Instagram because of my academic, you can say pressure or overload. My last semester was very good, but उसमें बहुत नई चीज़ें मैंने explore की, as well as I'm going to say that I'll be very much active on YouTube also. That we are now a family of 800 subscribers, and I wish in 2026 we'll cross 1K subscribers finally. And I'll try to be more active and more consistent with my work. If you want daily updates, you can follow me on Instagram, Karina Joga. This is my handle of my Instagram. I have amazing things over there you can watch. One thing that I'm very much excited to share with you all, that I am officially a social media manager as well as marketer at Global Airways Chandigarh, and as well as I'm working for the same post for other clients also, making their content, editing, shooting, posting, etc. So this is something I really wanted to share with you all, that at the age of 21 I'm working. So hopefully कुछ नई शुरुआत होगी, कुछ नई चीज़ें मैं सीखूंगी. And thank you so much for listening me. And so now let's start with 3 features जो बहुत अच्छी है for Notein, and let's start the video. Look at this. As you write, the color shifts automatically. I know this might seem just for fun, but for students, this is actually amazing for highlighting key terms without constantly switching pen colors manually. It makes your headers stand out instantly and makes the whole note-taking process just feel happier. And yes, it runs perfectly smooth on S6 Lite. In the video, you can see that I'm using multiple colors, and the rainbow has multiple colors also. It is just so beautiful to see whenever I'll make my notes for this 6th semester, and I'll try to show this for you all how this looks. Actually, you can update your Notein app from Google Play Store and see how it's working for you. Number 2 is the one I am most excited about as a science student, because I've seen this feature in other note-taking apps, but I always felt like why this feature is not still in Notein. There was also, kind of feature that was audio recording in Notein previously last year, but personally I felt this feature should be there in Notein, because for me Notein is the most amazing app in Android tablets. Is the audio record and sync. Yes, this is whenever you try to take your notes with audio recording. For example, you're in a class and you are kind of listening to teacher as well as highlighting the major points from your PDF. And whenever you turn that off and at home you want to listen that again, and all of your writing annotation, it kind of fades and it pops up in front of you. It's kind of you are reliving that experience again. And finally, feature number 3, the ruler tool. I think this is something I've seen in another note-taking apps also, but yeah, kind of I missed in Notein, and I'm so much happy. The day I updated Notein, the first feature that I tried was this ruler one, and I was so much happy because after knowing that there is a ruler feature in Notein, I thought to really make the video, and this feature is the only reason I did this video. So in the video you can see how I'm using this particular feature, and I actually don't know how in another way I can use, but surely if you know, you just tell me the different ways. And just a request to Notein, I hope this feature will be there in next update. I just want a shape tool to be updated because sometimes I just want to freely use those dotted lines, right? The way in Good Notes there is a feature in Brush that you can freely use those lines. Yeah, so these are the 3 updates, major updates from the Notein. I hope you'll use this.